You're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you subscribe already, thank you very much. And if I a person that has not subscribed to this channel, I will indulge you to click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification so that it will be able to notify you anytime I upload a video. So I upload a videos like content like on how you can make money online, how to increase your financial intelligence and maintain it. I give you business ideas in which you can invest in, how to make huge amount of money from the internet. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Moreover, this is not my regular video. It's because my country is in chaos right now. That's why I'm making this video. How to access the internet if the government shut it down. There are the rumors going around that the government might shut the internet. Is a probability, so to say. The government might shut the internet. That's why I'm doing this video specifically for that. On how people can communicate with each other without internet at all. So this method I want to share doesn't need internet. It's offline based. No internet. You can just chat people nearby. You can do that. So without further ado, let's go to the terms. There are some terms that you need to know concerning this topic. So we have shutdown and blackout. So we have shutdown and blackout. So what's shutdown or blackout? This is where the system by which all the systems are crashed. All the systems are crashed. So there is no connectivity at all, no network. Understand? No network at all in the country or that specific region that the government has targeted to shut it down. So it happened in Ethiopia. Understand? So 98% of the country was shut down. So that happened in Ethiopia. So let me just cancel it. So I don't want to take your time on that. So the second one is throttling. Understand? Hope you can call it throttling. You just repeat that by saying okay, throttling. So let me just go quickly. So throttling is about just reducing the internet connectivity. That's slowing it down. So when you slow an internet down or when you slow a website down, if you try logging in, it will say technical error. Most of the time it doesn't come up. So it's basically you see technical error. That's what you will see. So like let me say for instance now, your place has a 4G network, and if the government slow it down, just look as if it's a 2G network, so you can't really do with it, or you can't do much with the internet. So that's struggling. It happens in Congo. That's where it happened. Democratic Republic of Congo. That's where it happened. That's August 17th. So they were trying to protest against their president. That's Joseph Kabila. So on that for him to step down because he was not performing well. So that's struggling. That's where it happened in an African country. So let me just clean this down. Okay, I'll go to the next one. That's the third one, which is the last one. So blocking. So blocking is basically it's targeted. Understand? They probably target Facebook. So if they target Facebook, so it's Facebook that is not going to work. Other apps will be working. They target Facebook, Twitter will work, Instagram will work, Snapchat will be working, and it happened in Shad. So Shad, they block Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and Viper, which lasted for 16 months. You can imagine, understand? It lasted for 16 months, and it happened in Liberia also, where they restrict Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Let me just highlight this so that you can see Snapchat and WhatsApp for on the 7th of June, which lasted less than a day. So that one just lasted less than a day. Just imagine, it lasted for up to 16 months. It's not really easy not having internet to social media. Like you can see the life is going to come. So let me show you various African countries that is a country. I'll call in Chad, Cameroon, Congo, Zimbabwe, Uganda, Ethiopia, and Sudan. That's where these various incidents occur. So let's go into the video. So just a quick one, just a reminder, let's be prepared for anything that is coming without assumption. A lot of people try to assume everything that they are not going to come with that. But before you try to assume, let's be prepared. You have to be prepared for everything that is coming. That's why this video is being made. So when it comes up, you know that you're already prepared. The person that is not prepared for a battle is planning to fail. You understand? So uh, we we've gone a lot when it comes to preparation. So without further ado, let's go to the various apps in which you can use offline. That internet is not required. You don't need, you can chat with your friends and families using this various app in case it comes up. So you have to just be ready. You have to be prepared for anything that is coming. So the first app is Fireshot. You see here. Sorry, let me just highlight this so that you see it very well. Fireshot. So that's Fireshot for you. So what you do is you just go to Google Play Store and you just search for Fireheart and you will see Fireheart there and you can download it and you will see what I'm talking about. So let me go. But how it works. So Fireheart, how does Fireheart work? It's an encrypted text bit. That's text bit. Your text messaging which you send out, they are encrypted. They are not made they are not disclosed to the public. That's what it means. When the message is encrypted, that means it's not disclosed to the public. That's what it means. So it runs both on Android and iOS. It can work without an internet. As I told you earlier, it works without internet and it works through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Understand? So you just on your Bluetooth, just on your Wi-Fi, and you just connect and it works perfectly and start using it without connecting to any internet. So just a reminder, both parties have to download this app. It's very very important. If you download the app and the person want to chat with doesn't person has not downloaded this app, then it means you people cannot communicate. So that's what you have to know. So the device is 20 meters, no, 20 feet apart. Understand? So 20 feet apart, you can connect with chat with person 20 feet apart. So that's how this app works. So you can just check it out on Google Play Store, download it, and you just see things for yourself. It's pretty cool. So Breakify. The next one is called Breakify. So Breakify, you can also go to Play Store and search it, and you see Breakify messaging app is offline messaging, as you can see from this place. Offline messaging. You see offline messaging. You just go install it and make use of it. So let me show you how Breakify works. Okay, let me just highlight this so that you'll be able to know how Breakify works. So as I said earlier, it's an offline messaging app in which you can use to communicate with your family and friends. It's offline, so we don't need any data on how to communicate with your friends, people that are around you. So it uses Bluetooth. Oh, sorry. Let me turn this. So it uses Bluetooth to connect. Let me clean this quickly so that I don't take your time. So it uses Bluetooth. So Breakify became popular in 2009. So in 2009 there was anti-government protest in Hong Kong. So the government in China they shut down internet. So the protesters were using Breakify to communicate. Understand? There was total internet blockade in China, so they were using that to communicate. So the app actually uses three modes by which it sends messages. It sends it from person to person, which is 10 meters. Understand? It's on sorry, 100 meters. Sorry, some people will say this. So it's true mesh also. If it is person to person, is 10 meters. While if it is true mesh, that is more than 10 meters. So it's up to 200 meters also, sorry, 100 meters, more than 100 meters, up to 200 meters also, if there is someone in between. So it's like a mesh now, like if something like a mesh is just like a spider web where it's connected to various places, and within that vicinity people will be able to communicate very freely. So broadcast, so there is broadcast mode also in the app. If you download it, you see all these things I'm talking about. So every Breakify user around you, you'll be able to receive this message, even if the person is not on your contact list. So you'll be able to receive this message. So that Breakify work is very, very powerful. If you want to use it, you can just go search on Google Play Store and just download it and make use of it. Very, very powerful. So without further ado, let's get right into the next. So the next one is here. Let me quickly clean. Okay, Briar. Okay, Briar. Another powerful one. Let me just quickly show you how it works. So it's offline based also. It was designed by activists. You see, very, very interesting, and journalists and how they can communicate safely with one another. So that's the people that created it. So it doesn't rely on any central server. Understand? So all your messages are secured and synchronized. So it works by Bluetooth and Wi-Fi also, uh, and it can also work when you have internet connection. Understand? Uh, so it signs via Tor network, protecting the user from surveillance. So it's also a very nice app. You can just check that out. And there are other apps in which are not explained in this video. Let me quickly clean this. There are other apps that are not explained in this video. So we have Signal, Signal Offline. Those are other app, and Go Antenna. Go Antenna is very, very powerful, but I did not explain it in this video. We also use Mesh, which is very, very powerful. You can just go check the other one out. They are very, very nice. You can just go check it out. Let me not take your time in this video. These are various ways by which you can communicate with people if you don't have any internet access in the country. So thank you for listening, and please share and like this video, comment and hit. And the most important thing about it is you just help the ministry and subscribe. The subscription is free. Just click on that red button and turn on the notification so that it will be able to notify you anytime I upload a video. So you might want to stop by some other time to check out my content, because I'll be uploading a video explaining VPN. You can also use VPN. That's VPN works in a different way also. So I'm going to explain that in a different video. And now you can use VPN to access the internet. Very, very important. You can stop by. It's better you subscribe so that YouTube will notify you anytime I upload that content. So thank you very much. I'm signing out. Thank you for listening.